Guys, meet Biscuit.
Biscuit.
So for my foot is ashy. Nobody come for me. I was doing some housework and so on and so forth, cleaning off my veranda that Biscuit and Chosen had, put on,
Biscuit?
peed on, done the whole works. Okay, so was a wash day. Anyways, so this is Biscuit like every single time on my foot. Every time Biscuit had laid his eyes on me, this is Biscuit. Always chewing my foot, biting my foot, the whole works. Biscuit is very playful. I love Biscuit so much. He's always taking set on Chosen, like always fighting.